Today, you'll learn the most common English word used every single day.
Actually means, in fact. I was actually busy, that's why I'm late.
Just means only, or a short time. I just need a minute. Even shows surprise. I didn't even notice the time. Still means continuing. I'm still working on it. Already means something is finished. I already did my work. Really adds strong feeling. I really like this. Maybe means not sure. Maybe I'll come later. Probably means likely. I'll probably join you. Definitely means for sure. I will definitely help you. Exactly means completely correct. That's exactly right. Yes, exactly. Instead means in place of something. I stayed home instead. Also means in addition. I also wanted to ask something. Sometimes means not always. Sometimes I feel tired. Usually means most of the time. I usually wake up early. Get means receive or take. I'll get it for you. Take means accept or use time. Take your time. Find means discover. Yeah? I need to find my keys. Think means to believe or consider. I think it's good.
Try means attempt. I'll try my best.
Feel means experience emotion. I feel better now. Important means valuable. This is important. Before means earlier. Finish this before you leave. After means later. We'll talk after dinner. Again means one more time. Try it again. Always means every time. I always wake up early. Never means not at all. I never skip practice. Everything means all things. I packed everything. Nothing means no thing. I did nothing today. Someone means a person. Someone is calling you. Everyone means all people. Everyone is here. Help means to assist. Let me help you. Finish means complete. I finished my work. Wait means stop for a moment. Wait here, here. Keep means continue or hold. Keep going. Change means make different. I need to change this. Watch means look carefully. Watch this. Turn means change direction. Turn around. Look means see with attention. Look at this. Listen means hear carefully. Listen to me.
Need means something is necessary. I need my phone right now.
Want means desire. I want to learn more. Like means enjoy. I like this idea. Love means really bag hai and really like. I love this. Hate means strongly dislike. I hate waiting. Remember means keep in mind. I remember this. Forget means not remember. I forgot my keys. Send means deliver. I'll send it to you. Show means display. Let me show you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, like this. It's really simple. Learn means gain knowledge. I'm learning every day.
If you want to speak English naturally, start using these words today and subscribe for more.